Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Boat Nirvana Ion and open its case to wake the earbuds. On your Android phone, make sure Bluetooth is on and Google Play services are up to date. This is what enables fast pair discovery. Once done, grant location and nearby device permissions if prompted so the phone can see the Ion. Now put the earbuds into fast pair mode, usually by holding the power button, so your phone can detect them and show the fast pair prompt. You'll see a fast pair card appear near the top of the screen once the phone detects the Ion. Tap the card to start. The system will negotiate Bluetooth pairing automatically. Make sure you accept any permission dialogues that follow. These grant the earbuds access to call audio and notifications and enable firmware updates. If prompted to link the earbuds to your Google account, accept. This stores the pairing so other supported devices on your account can reconnect faster. Once connected, the phone will show battery levels and device status. You finish by testing audio playback and microphone in a call or voice memo. Make sure the Boat Nirvana Ion appears as the selected audio device. If pairing fails, perform a soft reset on the earbuds by holding the power button or follow Boat's reset steps in the manual, then retry fast pair. If problems persist, revoke nearby device and location permissions, toggle Bluetooth, or clear Google Play services cache. This clears stale state and lets the fast pair handshake complete cleanly. Then try the pairing flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.